Okay, let's freaking do this. Okay, let me put the bottom up. Here, clearly. Let's go to the village and find out. I haven't noticed this. Oh, this is rare. They say. I found a rare thing! Let me just grab my pickaxe. My fucking items. And do it. Yeah. Wait, I haven't noticed. Oh, yeah. I really like the portal. But this is pretty rare. So, I'm gonna go to the village. What? Am I freaking lagging? Okay, so that's because I'm new down. Freaking the laptop. Let me go to the spectator. No. This. It's in here. What? What the fudge? I never noticed this. I freaking never noticed this. I promise I didn't put alert. I promise. I fucking promise. But this is pretty rare. I haven't noticed this thing in a long. Wait, I made. Okay, this seed is 911 at Bedrock Edition. Okay, let's make another world. Let's make another fucking world. And by the way, I'm watching fucking TV. DreamWorks. Oh, the Patrick Star Show. If you haven't heard about that thing, that's for dummies. No. It's kinda fun. Let's freaking create a new world. Survival, easy, advanced. Okay. So the pumpkins might be not the same because this is a new freaking world. Yeah, no. I'm a fart. It's a joke. Okay, I didn't freaking fart. So, yeah. Let's fucking continue, brother. Yeah, I didn't on this, but now the pumpkins are probably gone now. That wasn't the part. See? Hey, what? Oh, the pumpkins are still here, but probably more. Yeah, let's freaking go. Let's go now. Hmm? It's at this part, probably like here. Yeah, no, no, not there, not here. Wait, I destroyed it. Oh, it's here. Oh, yeah, this is probably a good starter house. Yeah. Let's make a condo. Yeah, I'ma just get some and I'ma just use my room. Wait, I thought, oh, is this real? Probably not, but it's going to amazing. You can notice that my life playing mine. Yeah, it started old age. I'm kidding, okay? Not an old age. Yeah, let's have a dolphin. I'm from the Philippines, okay? Itong dolphins. Yeah, I don't speak Tagalog, but I speak Ilocano. So, like Iloco, like this. Yut ni ina madabagbag tit mo, di ka kumapay lang matay, yut ni inampay lang. Wait, what's the freaking rabbit? Oh, no, not the rabbit. What's the raccoon? God. Let me make it. Dumb cod. I mean dumb dolphin. Okay, I'm not doing that. Bye. 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 Yawa.